What's the meaning of comer? Comer. Comer.
Comer. Comer. The word comer can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One possible meaning of comer is a person who is coming to a certain place or event. Another meaning could be someone who is on the rise or achieving success. Additionally, comer can refer to a dish or meal that is being served, particularly in Spanish cuisine. In summary, the meaning of comer can vary and context is important in determining its specific definition. It could refer to someone arriving, achieving success, or a type of food dish.